Hi, so I'm just on a beautiful sunset walk and I'm listening to my client messages, and there seems to be a really common theme right now running amongst everyone, sort of the collective energy. Right now, with so much pausing happening and so much stillness going on, we are really being confronted and shown to us things that we haven't necessarily wanted to look at in our lives, right? Things we've been shoving under the rug for a while, things that we've been ignoring. We are given the perfect opportunity right now to have the time and the space and the energy to actually look at what we've been shoving under the rug. What have we been ignoring? What is asking to be healed? And what is coming up for all of us right now? And I think if we don't take this time to go inwards, we're actually missing a really huge opportunity here. Like a really huge opportunity here. This is what the mass awakening is all about, right? This is what they're talking about and humanity is going to literally rise to the next level of consciousness. For those of us who are already awake and aware, our souls are going to be doing the healing work so that we can show up in a greater capacity. We can show up more fully expressed as who we are, more fully aligned with our life purpose, more who we are truly meant to be instead of who we were conditioned to be. This is the opportunity that's being presented to us right now. And this is how we can actually take advantage of this stillness and this pause is where do we need to grow? What are we avoiding? What does need to come to the light and be healed and worked through and released so that we can move into being of greater expression of our soul's purpose and we can ascend to the next level. So let's, instead of ignoring what is coming up for us, let's actually take this as an opportunity to heal and to release and to grow and to evolve. That's what I'm doing, and I want to invite you to do the same.